When people start thinking about pricing their art, time is usually one of the first questions that gets asked, but it's not something I base my pricing on. If I start thinking about how long a painting is taking, my focus changes. Instead of being in the painting, I'm watching the clock. And when you're watching the clock, you're starting to rush. You begin to second guess, or you begin to feel like it's time to really be done with this. Painting really doesn't work well like that. Some pieces come together quickly, some take lots more time, more layers, and more adjusting. But the value of a painting isn't really about how many hours it took. For me, part of the value is actually in the process. I paint because I enjoy it. I love getting lost in the painting and losing track of time. So, in a way, I'm already being paid while I'm painting, just in the experience of creating it. So, when I price my work, I don't look at the time. I look at things like how complex a piece is, how much layering it has, and how finished or developed it feels. And if you're just getting started, it's okay to keep it really simple at first. If you're looking for a simple way to actually price your work, I do have a basic formula as a starting point. I have a full video on that, and I'll link it below in the description and here on the screen. There isn't one perfect way to price your art, but I found this keeps my focus where I want it, on the painting itself, and it lets me just enjoy the process a lot more.